Okay, once again, good morning. Welcome to our daily posted. This is a beautiful and quiet, cool morning. And then today is Wednesday and 5:03 Manila time. Thank you for tuning in and welcome to our daily posted. So, our sharing for today is about Christian by love. Christian by love. So that means we are not valued. Perhaps we are valued by what the words we are giving, and then how do we serve. So that means service is number one key in order to show love, because we are talking about love that is Christian in nature. Love is God-centered love. God is unchanging, absolute, eternal, and love is that giving. Then love that is forgiving, because if you want to love, that means you must be forgiving. For without forgiving, we cannot say that we love. Number one thing to consider when we talk about love is we need to forgive. And another thing is when we talk about love, when we want to share love, that means we must be able to understand. The nature of love is to understand other person, to give meaning to the life of other person, to share your life to other person, and to hope for the best for other person. And I pray that you will be the one to glorify God by means of your righteousness in loving one another. So that means in John 13:34 says, they will know you if you love one another. A new commandment that I gave to you, that you must love one another as I have loved you. So we cannot be a Christians by just words, but we are Christians by love. That means we need to give love, to share love, and to give everything that we have in order to see that we love others, we serve others, we forgive others, and we care. So that means we must be caring, we must be loving, we must understand others. If we say that we are Christians, if we say that we are a religious person, number one to say from us is loving, understanding, caring, and serving one another. Because without those things, we cannot say that we are loving. We are loving because we are caring, we understand, and we forgive. So once again, thank you very much for this morning, and I hope to see you again for another episode of Daily Posting.